Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix the problem, the Flexgate problem on Macbook Pro. And I'll show you how to fix the flex cable without soldering. You know that the problem, Flexgate problem is when you open the lid over 45 degrees, maybe 90 degrees when you open it. Why? The screen is off, or maybe you can see this distortion in the screen. It's because of the flex cable. That is called Flexgate. Problem is caused by broken cable. That is a very bad design of Apple for MacBook Pro. So I'll show you how to fix that. First of all, we need to remove this one. And this cable is to connect the screen board, the screen circuit board with the computer. So we have to leave this and we have to open this one first. And now as you can see the problem here at the screen. You can see the distortion in this on the screen because of the Flexgate broken flex cable. And to have these are the areas of the cable. So one is for camera and one for the screen. And we have to remove the Wi-Fi. Remove the Wi-Fi frame here. I don't know how to call it. Yeah, and you can see this is the flex cable. And here, this one is the screen cable, the flex cable here. When it's broken, you can see the problem with the screen. And we have to fix this cable. This on the right and on the left, we have the same one that is for the camera only. It is, and yeah, we have to fix this one. It's the small cable right here. It is broken, and I'll show you how it is broken. Now, if you look at the back, you can see here. You see here, it's sharply folded. Sharply folded when you open this lid, and it is caused by this edge. Here, can you see the edge? When you open the lid winding, this edge will hit the cable, will hit the flex cable, and break the heat and breaks the cable. So now I will cut it off, not totally, just part of it. I'll cut it so the cable will have space to travel. The cable to have space to travel, and this way you can fix the problem. At the moment, my cable still has a problem already. I think it is a little bit broken. However, we still can use it. Now, when I cut this off to give more space to the cable to travel, I can fix the problem. Maybe you still see some small one, but you will see the difference. If your cable is damaged too much, you have to change. You have to fix it with another way. However, if you just cannot open the lid 90 degree, or you just see the distortion on the screen, you can do it this way. Even if the cable is a little damaged, it still can be fixed. Here, and you can see that I cut it off, and now the cable will travel easily. Of course, you see it's still it's damaged, so I'm use tape to strengthen, to make it strong and stable. I know I put it back. I'm sure that it will work. I do not have any intention of testing. I believe, confident that it will fix the problem. As I said, that at the moment the cable is broken. However, when I strengthen the cable with the glue, with the tape, and make it stable, and make it firm, and so when you open it, it will stay firm, and you see that the screen is clean again, back again. When I eat this down, I'll open I'll turn on the computer, and I open the about 45 degrees away, and wait, see. Now, as you can see that the screen is okay, it's clear, but when you open, you see that it's not stable. Of course, because the tape is not strong enough to keep it firm. However, when you finish opening, the lid, you see the screen is good now. The screen is good now. When you, on the way you move the lid, you can see that there's some discussion because the wire and the cable is moving. However, when you stop, you see that the screen is now clear and clean, and the problem went away. Now, if you fix that, if you strengthen the cable with like a metal or something stronger, I think that is much better. But here now I can use my computer. I can use my laptop without any problem with the screen.